Hi guys, Google is working on a competitor to the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and there are some exciting facts about it, so you should definitely pay attention to this one. But before we get into it, definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon to get daily tech updates, and drop a like if you enjoyed the video. So it might not actually be called the Pixel Fold, but the Google Pixel Notepad, which is a terrible name. Anyway, this is Google's first attempt at a foldable device, and it's gonna be going up against the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is Samsung's fourth iteration, along with other companies like Xiaomi and Oppo with their second iteration. Now, that might not be much of an issue because Google has the software advantage. They just released Android 12L, which is a version of Android made for bigger devices like foldables. And being the owners of Android, we can expect that they'll make the software as close to perfection as possible for their foldable device. So according to rumors, the Pixel Notepad is gonna have a similar design to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So an outer display when folded and a much bigger inner display when open. And that display is rumored to be 7.6 inch because Google has put in an order to Samsung to make 7.6 inch foldable OLED panels for a device it's working on. So it's gonna close into a normal sized phone and open up into a tablet-like experience. And according to Ross Young, the Pixel Notepad is gonna have its display in production in the third quarter of 2022, and we can expect to see the device in the fourth quarter. Now that seems pretty far, and the Z Fold 4 will already be out by then, leaving its mark on the market. But one area where the Pixel Notepad could one-up the Galaxy Z Fold 4 is its price. It's rumored to come in at $1,400, which is about $400 cheaper than the Z Fold 3, and what we can expect the Z Fold 4 to start at. But if Samsung does incorporate the S Pen into the Z Fold 4, then the Pixel Notepad is gonna have some serious competition, because that's gonna be a killer move. Anyway, I would say take these with a grain of salt because there aren't many concrete information about the Pixel Notepad yet, but we're gonna get more information over time and I'll be sure to cover it. So definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. And be sure to drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next one.